Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make a domino setup in Blender. We start by deleting the default cube and replacing it with a NURBS path. After that, we go to the geometry node editor. We click new and we name it properly. Then we press Shift+A and add instance on points, placing it in the middle of the node setup. Next, we create a cube with Shift+A and connect mesh to instance. Now we add a resample curve. This determines the length and frequency of our object. At this point, we go into edit mode. We select the last vertices and we extend them using E to shape the domino path. Remember to press 7 on the numpad to lock the camera to top view. This helps you avoid moving objects up and down accidentally. After that, we add a curve tangent node and align rotation to the vector. Lastly, we add realize instances. Then we go to object mode, right click and convert to mesh. Now we switch to the timeline. We will use it later. We go back into edit mode and press P. Then we choose separate by loose parts. Your dominoes are now individual objects. Next, we create a domino collection in the top right corner and name it. You can also press M in object mode to move objects into a new collection. Then we select all domino objects, right click and set origin to geometry. After that, we go to object, we choose rigid body, and we add active. Now the objects have physics, but we still need a base. We go to object mode, we press Shift+A and add a plane. We scale it with S, then adjust with S and X, and move it with G. Then we add physics to the plane by setting it to rigid body passive. Finally, we select the first domino and rotate it using R. And now you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. See you next time.